3D printing isn't just about creating, it's about pushing the limits. Today, we're testing propeller guards made from different filaments to see how they perform. For this test, we used a variety of filaments, include MPEK, impact-resistant PC, and flexible PA. Which filament is the best for high-speed FPV drone flights? Let's find out! Installation complete. How do they look? Now, let's put them to the test. First, test impact resistance. Can the propeller guards survive high-speed crashes?
好，上，好，可以了。好。
PA1 to CF is best filament for you.